Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. So this is going to be a plan with me for the week of March 23rd through the 29th, 2020. The sticker books that I'll be considering and using is Farmhouse, Productivity, The Homebody, Fun Florals, because you know I love flowers, so I always like to put flowers in my spread. The Teacher, Household, To Do, and Planner Basics, and possibly even some of these. And hopefully I am in camera frame. My webcam was not working right for some reason, and so I am using my Canon camera, and it doesn't have a flip up screen, so I am not sure how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna do the best I can, and trust me, it will get better. I also have another camera that does have a flip up screen, but I didn't feel like hooking that up and all that. So we'll start with the flowers. And here are my scissors, so I just have to figure out how I want to try and do this. And I think I will do it this way. Let's see. Guys, I just honestly don't know how I want to do this. And so this is just really random. Oh, I don't know where all this dust came from all of a sudden. My kids were over here playing with their stuffed animals. And then let's see, what else? What else? So I probably won't do a whole lot of talking. It's just really funny how sometimes you pull out sticker books and just really have no direction of basically which way you're gonna go with decorating, and it just kind of comes together. Let's see, I feel like I want something over here in this corner. Not anything really big, but just a little something, yeah. And then I feel like I want something in this corner, and again, not real big, but just something there. Perfect, perfect. And so guys, I am not really what you would call a no white space decorator. Like, if I were to stop right here, this would be perfectly fine for me. This would be perfectly fine. But I'm trying to get into the more heavy decorating, not where everything is covered up, where I don't have anywhere to write, but just a little bit more than what I would normally do, if you will. And then this right here, I'm gonna cut this in, I'm gonna cut this in half, and I will put that right there. And again, as I've explained in the past, I am not a neat freak, so if it does not go down completely straight and lined up, I am perfectly okay with that. Maybe that'll change in the future. I'm just not sure. And then this right here, we'll put that over that. And I think that's it with the homebody book. Now we'll do the farmhouse and see if anything jumps out at me. So I am gonna go ahead and put a coffee right there because I pretty much start my day with coffee or tea, but most days it is coffee. And as most of you know, I have 12 children. So yeah, my days get kind of wild sometimes. And you might hear my kids in the background. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, again, I have 12 kids. And it gets loud sometimes. So I'm just putting the coffee down because I typically start most of my days with coffee or tea, but mostly coffee. Usually I'll drink coffee in the morning, and then sometime during the day or throughout the day I'll drink tea. So I'm going to put that alarm clock there. Let's see what else. What's for dinner? So let's see. I'll put the dinner one down here. What's for dinner? Me and my husband have certain days that we alternate cooking because for some years he did most of the cooking. But I just feel like I need to kind of cook a little more. He doesn't mind it though, but still. And I don't have no kind of color theme. I just put down what the spirit strikes me to put down. Let's see, what else? So that's Sunday. So this one I'll put back because he typically cooks dinner on Thursdays. So I'll put this one back for another time. And then, let's see. We'll just randomly place top priority right here. And then this one, because it won't go across there, or maybe I could put it right here. Yeah, I'll put it right here. That will be fine. Good, because I was gonna cut it and then stack them, kind of. Okay. And then, let's see, get it done. I'll put this to do like right here. And I know next week is going to be kind of a busy week because my kids have to get their online work done. I'm gonna try this. I'm not sure how this will work. So we'll put this right there. And then this we will put right here. And that was the farmhouse one. So I'm gonna take a clear sticker out of the farmhouse and put it right there. I should have made that be upwards. So that's all I'm gonna use out of there. Hey guys, sorry, but my camera for some reason stopped filming or recording. So I wanted to put a picture here where you can see what the finished spread looks like. And thanks for watching me. And I promise my recordings will get better. I have a DSLR camera and it's got a bunch of bells and whistles that I don't quite understand yet, but eventually I will. Thank you for being patient with me. And also, if you have not done so, be sure to subscribe to this channel as well as my other channel called With Lynne at Home, and that's spelled Lynnne. Thanks so much, guys.